Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my new video. In this video, I am going to show you how to change lowercase to uppercase in Microsoft Publisher. Let's get started. At first, we have to open a Publisher document and take some text. Now we can see here all text are lowercase. Now we want to change this lowercase text to uppercase. Firstly select the all text, click and drag on our mouse. Then go to the home menu. Then we can see here many options. We find and select the change case option. Here the change case option, then we select it. Then we can see here three options: normal, small caps or all caps. Now we want to change this lowercase text to uppercase, select the all caps. Then we can see we change the lowercase text to uppercase very easily. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.